Our dehumidifier machine has a larger air inlet and 500 ml water tank, which has a great powerful efficiency for eliminating the mold, moisture, musty odors, condensation on window or wall. Also, the water tank is easy to be cleaned, and the yank is detachable. About 1.5, it can be used effectively and perfectly. The item can absorb moisture from air up to 300 mld at 86 degrees Fahrenheit, RH 80%. There is a 23 watts low-energy dehumidifier with humidity sensor. The automatic electronic off function allows you to run the mini dehumidifier continuously without leakage or spillage. The noise of the dehumidifier is always under 33 dB. Without any annoying sound, it works quietly. It does not disturb you when in the time of falling asleep, working or studying, ideal for bedroom, children's room, office. Remote control for easy operation. The included remote controls any settings for convenience.